Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Claude Joseph, and in case you're new here, welcome, and feel free to subscribe, like, share, and leave a sweet comment. On today's video is a super special video, guys. It's a super special video, as you see the title suggests. So I'm putting on my gumboots for protective gears as a protective gear, because today is a brand new day, and I give thanks to Almighty God for this amazing day, and also much thanks to you all, guys, for always coming back to watch my videos. Man, it has been a while, it has been a minute, and of course things are going on well. We can't complain. A few days ago, or a few months ago, things has been not moving much as I expected, but every day is a learning day. Every day is a learning day. Just fixing my specs so that they can fix. Alright, I think they're much okay. Hey, what's up, guys? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. It depends on the place where you're watching me from. So this day today, I'm filming this video all the way from my bulletproof house over here in Kenya, Africa, and of course everything is okay, everything is nice. So I want to be taking you from here. We'll be heading to one of our friends, our brother, our family friend, as True Boys home. Then from there I want to be having an engineer. Today is a very bright day, man. I can't explain this, but oh my god, I don't know how I'm going to schedule this, or I know how I'm going to give it today, but watch this video to the end, and show subscribe if you haven't, like, share, and leave a sweet comment. I want to be heading to our land. That's why I'm putting on my protective gears, arranging myself, putting myself well, because going to the land, also the land can see, oh man, this is okay, so watch this video to the end. We have a big surprise. So the engineer told me today that is going to bring me a plan, so we want to be having it today with him, and also we want to be asking, just giving me some tips of how everything is. I know it's a long waited day, but let's go and see it. All right. Yeah, it's a fine morning. It's a beautiful early morning. They say, don't worry about the things, cause every little thing's gonna be alright. I woke up in the morning from the beautiful horizons. I see 3 birds on the doorstep singing, and say this message is for you. Hey, don't worry, hey, about the things, hey, cause every little thing's gonna be alright. Don't worry, hey, about the things. Good morning, baby.
Good morning.
How are you?
How are you?
You good?
You good?
Yes, say hi, guys.
Hi.
Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you?
How are you?
Yes, guys, this is my grandma, and she's always more happy, and she's very, very, very much happy always.
No.
Yeah. You don't know English?
English is you.
Yeah. Is it? Yeah. Speak English.
English. I don't know English. Stop.
Guys, that's my comedian grandma. I really love her so much. Say subscribe, guys. Like, share, and leave a comment. Yeah, guys, so that's my lovely grandma. I know my ilebulale. I know my bikirana. I know my ilebulale. I know my I know my ilebulale. I know my Aya bibi nitunzia nitakuja. Alright, guys. Yeah, so we are so She's asking for chicken. Maybe we wanna buy chicken for her and I slot it for her so that she can have soup. And also I'm with my young brother here, Calvin Klein Jeans. How are you, bro?
I'm fine.
Good morning.
Good morning, bro.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Is everything okay?
Yeah, everything is okay.
Introduce yourself, man.
Yes, what's up, guys? Welcome back to Claude Joseph's YouTube channel. If you're new there, subscribe, like, share, leave us a comment.
Yes.
My name is Manu Claude.
Yes.
I go by name Manu Claude on YouTube. Subscribe there. I'm brought to 2K subscribers, 4,000 watch hours.
How is life after school now?
Life is good. Yeah, we're chilling only in the village here.
Only in the village.
Yeah.
How is your channel taking you?
It's good now. Yeah, this is my channel, guys.
Okay. Kindly guys subscribe to his YouTube channel at Manu Cloud. He's almost to 2,000 subscribers.
Yes.
And also for the watch hours. How many watch hours are on the line?
Now I have 1,226.
Work
watch
hard,
hours.
do some little long video, little like 12 minutes, 8-12 minutes to be better, okay? Yeah, guys, that's my young brother. He's really hardworking, real hardworking. Actually, he's balancing between school. Like now, schools have closed. Now he's focusing on content and also some homeworks over here. So when he's on his free time, he does content. I'm very proud of him. And also, guys, we fixed what we call like some sensor lights all the way, like this one you see here. So improving our home slowly by slowly. Those are sensor lights. So at night, the moment you pass here, they light. We call them mulikamwizi. So I'll give you a tour of our bulletproof house over here. This is my young brother again. This house still will be working on it. We have timbers and everything, but yeah, it's slowly by slowly. So also over here we'll be doing some weeding of this area. You know, sometimes when I'm not at home, they leave this place to be bushy, so I'll be weeding this area, just removing. And also I'm so much proud of this tree. It's really growing big, you know. For those who have been following us since those days back, you have been seeing that. You have been seeing this tree since it was young, but now look, it's growing very big. And I was told when I was buying this tree, I was told it grows very big. So we can't wait for it to grow big and create shades. And also when you plant trees around your compound, it prevents from harmful wind that can come and destroy and take off your animal. So there are more lights everywhere. So at night you see the house. I'll just make a short video at night showing you how our compound shines. So in a nutshell, this is our compound. Let me give you a 360.
Imagine na yeye mwenye deni ndo acha bana. Mungu aito Mungu boko kia Mungu na tena kihere mata kwa mpesa ya kia Mungu chicho ya kono ya tatu mira yote ije kunje kuruka bora maika tande.
Yeah, so we'll be heading down and our machine is idling. It's idling. So let's keep on moving. We'll be heading down there to True Boys home so that we can see what's happening. So we wanna go also to our land. It's a big surprise, guys. Watch it to the end. Yeah, so guys, I just arrived here and the work is still ongoing. As you see, we are really working hard in the village. We are with the engineer right there, so the work is still very nice. Sema Mura, sema hata mambo Mura. Uko poa? Uko fiti? Safi, uko poa? Haya man. Yeah, so the work is still going on. So the pima maji yako nitakuletea. Safi. Haya. So the work is still going on well guys. And yeah, we are so much happy about what is going on over here. Like we youths transforming Mama Africa, which is very nice and great. This is one of the greatest houses that are here in the village. Hey, Mr. Days, want to say something?
Guys,
Yes, Dayson.
my name is Lewis Dayson. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Subscribe my channel, like, share, also comment.
Yes.
And we really appreciative. Yeah, today
You're
I'm
happy?
here. Yeah, I'm happy.
How is work?
Today I'm here to.
To what?
I'm working hard here
Yes.
in the zege, not the zege.
The
Mchanga.
mchanga. In the mortar, it's called mortar.
Mortar, okay.
A mixture of sand, cement, and water is called mortar.
Yeah.
Okay, man. Nice guys. Please
Tell your
subscribe
friends, subscribe
and show some love to Lewis Dayson over here. Yeah, so the work is going on well, transforming Mama Africa, and this is one of it's sort of a very great inspiration, a very nice inspiration to everyone who usually watch us over here, despite what sometimes you see over there. This is a zero drama project, a zero drama thing that always happen over here. That's why you see it's going on nicely, and we thank God for the great work that is going on over here. Since day one we started up to now, we are almost done with bricks and blocks. Now we'll be roofing it. We thank God, and also we thank you for always coming to watch our videos for each and every update over here. It's a 3-bedroom house with a very nice living room and everything. Maybe after the work I'll come and show you the quick tour of how things are over here. It's slowly by slowly, blessings to each and every person, you know. So yeah, from here we'll be heading to our land, because the engineer is here with us. He promised me, he called me and told me like he has a very nice idea of what we can put there on our land on the other side. So I'll be waiting for him to finish, because he's inspecting something over here inside, so that he can give us the updates about where is good and where is wrong, so that we, you know, sometimes while building, this thing I came to realize while building, you have to include structural engineer, electrical engineer, also you can include what you call like the designing engineer. You know, mostly those three are the main: structural engineer, electrical engineer, like those are the best, and also the main engineer, because they can tell you this, the kitchen can be this way, the pipes or the power should be starting from this point, and also the design should be on this other end. So instead of just waking up and building, that's why you see most of the houses, sometimes you find them having cracks, you find them having maybe small rooms, you find them having what you call like maybe they can leak. You'll find one of the house maybe on the other end doesn't, because like this house, like the way we started it up to now, we thank God, reason being it has an hardcore arranging of them all the way through. On the other end, it's bridged by blocks. It has never shown any sign of crack or weaknesses. All right guys, so let's see. So here you should know where everything is and where everything happens. So like here we have a very big septic tank over here, that all waste that will be in this house should be deep down here. So we cover it this way, we cover it that way. So from here, let's go, and we want to be discussing our plan. You know, we have seen the plan of this, and also we'll be seeing our plan of the big house. All right, I don't know the name of this tree. It looks like acacia tree, but it's not acacia. Wow, actually the weaver birds loves this kind of trees because it has thorns. These weaver birds, they are so clever. Why? Reason being, they know the predator want to go up and eat them, so they always look for a tree which is kind of have thorns. So they go up and they build their houses so that the predator cannot go and eat them. Reason number two, they just build their houses on the weak weak branches like this, so that the predator cannot reach there. The moment the predator go there, it can fall. All right, so let's go with our engineer. We see what's happening. All right. Yeah, so guys, we just arrived at our site over here, or on our dreamland, and also I'm with our engineer over here. Maybe you want to say hi.
Hello guys,
How are you?
I'm okay.
Yes.
Engineer Victor.
Yes.
So we are right on time on site.
Yes.
We are doing we call it preliminary actions. We are trying to see how it should be.
Yes.
The proper location to have our building.
Yes.
And also giving some advices.
Absolutely.
To our bro here, both economical and
financial. Yes.
Yeah, so I see already there are materials. The only mistake he did, I'm trying to tell him that he poured the sand where the building should be.
Oh, the building should be here.
The building should be there.
Okay.
So I think this one can be transferred.
Okay.
Yeah, when we are ready.
Yes.
Then this one can be transferred, because we can't consume the land.
The land,
and have a building towards the end.
Towards the end,
Because
absolutely.
We need a little bit of a view, of a front view of the building, where we have a proper compound, where we can do maybe you do some flowers.
Some flowers, yeah. Some small playground.
Yeah, so considering the slope of the land,
Yes.
I was telling Joseph that it's good if he put up a septic toward that corner.
Okay.
Yeah, so it will automatically go. This one you doesn't even need to dig so deep.
Oh, okay.
For the pipe that transfer the whatever waste to the septic.
Absolutely.
Because already it's there's a gradient, it's slant.
And according to the plan,
Yeah.
do you see that we are maybe 50% of the little material that we have, maybe?
Yeah, you know what could have consumed more if it was just a normal building.
Okay.
If it was not a story building, then considering the slope of the land,
Yes.
you are going to put up a foundation that is too much high towards this end.
Towards the end.
So it would require almost double
Of this. Oh,
so
man.
because we are considering a story building to the front.
Yes.
Because we don't, when we do a normal building, then the foundation is higher.
It's higher, yeah.
When the foundation is higher, that one costs a lot of material.
For sure.
Secondly, for the backfilling, for you to backfill that foundation, it again requires a lot of hardcore. And a lot of maram.
Backfilling is where maybe the foundation is up and then you start to put.
Now you fill it back.
You fill it back with
to the level of the foundation.
So I just saw the backfilling at True Boy's house and I was like, man, this is how it is. Maybe to use double or triple the stone that we are using for the foundation.
You are using for the foundation.
Yeah.
So that's the reason we are considering this side.
Okay.
The front side of the building to be a story one.
Okay.
So that we don't do much
of the backfilling. Also, the kind of house, guys, actually from here maybe we'll be showing you the the plan that we have, and also the reason being why it is because he said the front view should be a story building, but from the back you see the normal house.
So going to the front is a story building. We consider that because if the viewers can see the topology of the land, it will and now you've worked in a construction site in True Boy site.
Yes.
You know for instance, if we do a foundation up there,
Yeah.
and we doesn't even go an inch
Yes.
above the ground,
This level.
Yeah. It will be somewhere here.
At the roof here. At the tip of
at the tip of this plant.
Oh
so
my
this
God.
will be
The level of that house.
that house. And imagine after building this foundation from maybe we'll dug about 2 or 3 feet
Downwards.
and then you build it to this level.
And then you do backfill.
And then you do backfill.
Oh my God.
So you'll be doing a lot.
Okay.
So we said maybe if we have a foundation there,
Yes.
then the foundation, the part of the house that is not story,
Yes.
its level will be set up
Aside, on the other side.
there, outside this one.
Okay.
So this one will maybe do a foundation that maybe reaches somewhere here.
Okay.
We backfill it.
Like 2 feet up or 3.
Yeah, 2 feet up.
Okay.
And then 2 feet above the ground.
Yes.
Then we do it. It's a building on its own.
Okay.
So you consider if it is here, it's just a few feet, then you reach the level.
The level of
your-
the
your
lintel.
building.
Yes.
So we consider this reaching that level about 8 feet.
Yes.
Then we do the slab. It won't be a bigger slab because it's just part of the house.
Part of the house, yeah.
That is done upstairs.
Yes.
So we do the slab and again we
The
do that.
roofing.
So considering again what you wanted,
Yes.
the front pillars.
Yes.
Yeah, Joseph wanted the front pillars to be seen as tall as possible.
As tall as possible, yeah.
So we just want those pillars to be seen right from the ground to
the roof.
of the upper
Okay.
floor.
Guys, we have an engineer, he's the one giving you these amazing tips. Actually I explained to him what I want, and he's really, whatever he has just made or planned, it's something very, very magnificent, something that even you will see, you'll be like, this is it, Claude, go for it. So I just wanted him, this is not the first time him being here. I just wanted to come and see the topology of how everything is around here, and also the slanting and the terrain of the land, so that he can also give me more advices. And also, not only me, but also you guys who are watching this, maybe in case you'll be my neighbor here, you say, hey Claude, I need that engineer of yours who built this kind of a house over here. So actually it's giving us, so I was like, it's not okay for me to just keep quiet with the, what you call, like the information. It's better for me to share with you also. Maybe one day you'll be with Victor, or managing your, what you call, like, or building or planning for you your house. So engineer, give yourself a shout out and also tell people
I think most of them have seen me.
Yes.
Right from Mayugnos
Yes.
to David Juniors,
Yes.
Pablos,
Yes.
BTs.
Yes.
So I'm sure many of the viewers have come across Victor.
Absolutely.
So engineer Victor is a consultant
Yes.
in matters of building.
Yes.
We work as a team.
Yes.
Our company is called Nicromax Consultancy.
Yes.
We do consultancy services.
Absolutely.
Now consultancy starts from what we are discussing here.
Absolutely.
In the advice.
Yeah.
Then again coming up with the designs.
With the designs.
So we guide you until you reach a point when you take the plan to the county for approval, so that when you construct, you do your things at your own peril, at your own. You do your things at your own
without
time,
any disturbance.
Without any disturbance.
Yeah.
So that is what we do.
Yes.
We also, again, after we do the design,
Yes.
we give you what we call the BQ. That is the quotation.
Yes.
What will guide you, how many tracks of
Sand
do I need?
hard cores.
What type of steel?
Okay.
Yeah. So we engage you in every step.
Yeah.
So that by the end of the day, you do your work once without corrections.
Absolutely.
So what we do is to help you avoid corrections. Not you building something and again later you realize, no, I didn't want it like this.
Absolutely.
Let me change it. So that one is not economical.
Yeah.
So I think guys, before, okay, maybe you can tell them something.
Yeah, actually with me, my plan is like having this. Maybe I wish if I had that much, it could be like, I want to do a push gift to my wife.
Yeah.
So as a gift, the moment she'll be like, she's out from there, the moment she comes, even if it's a foundation, she'll be so much. So I'll be telling her, push it for it, and then we'll be having this kind of a plan of a house. So that's why I'm with you here, so that she can see also that we are serious doing this.
Yes.
Yeah. So, and also guys, you know, there's what we call like always, you know, we have to actually encourage and encourage. My wife Minhawi, I know she's watching this. We are actually over here planning, though you are not around, but things that you'll be seeing here, and then also we'll be like, okay, if you're okay with it, also we'll be discussing, because the plan is still open.
Yeah, it's still open.
Yeah, it's still
for
open
changes, yeah.
for changes. So maybe we'll be seeing what will be happening. Maybe he can show us.
I don't know if they will be able to see.
Okay, the light.
Yeah, but I think they can.
They can
have a
see.
look.
Yeah, guys, this is the kind of
This
the
is
house.
the kind of the house we want.
That's the front view, right?
The front view.
Yes. Also, the pillar
Then,
come from down all the
way
to the roof.
Yeah, we have a balcony here.
Okay.
This is a master bedroom balcony.
Okay.
But it doesn't touch
the pillars.
The pillars.
Oh, so it's a hanging one.
It's just hanging.
Okay.
Inside the porch.
Okay.
So the pillars, like you instructed, they are right from the ground, from the foundation,
yes,
all the way to the point where we have the roof.
The roof.
Yeah.
Oh man.
So there are two each, and
they're twin.
Twin.
Okay.
So maybe this one is some lights there. You will have to put some lights there. These are tar.
Okay.
Electrical lamps.
Wow, very, very nice.
Yeah. So this is the front view.
And the roof is butterfly.
Yeah. So then after that, yes, then we'll have this the side.
The side
to the road.
To the road. This side.
Yeah.
Okay.
The side view. So you see this part is down. It's down.
Yeah, okay.
So this is not a story part of it.
Okay. So this is the part, maybe if somebody is looking the house from this side,
yeah,
he sees it as a normal house.
Yeah.
But if he sees it from this side,
the front, you will see it
as a story building. Hey, that requires a lot of IQ.
This is the back.
Oh, this is the back.
So this back,
yes,
one will assume that is a normal.
It's just a normal house. Okay.
While in real sense, it's a story building to the front.
Oh wow!
So this is a back porch.
Back porch
for the kitchen.
Wow.
Yeah.
Hey.
Yeah. So this is what we have, guys. So this is part of the stairs.
The stairs.
Where we have the stairs.
The stairs.
So that's why it's protruded back.
It's protruded back.
Yeah.
So maybe I'm assuming, like this end, but this is, I see it's like concrete, right? Or a plaster.
No, it's a plaster. It's
okay.
Just so in this finishing.
Yes.
It's done, I think it's on a taros.
Okay.
There's something called taros,
yeah,
or you can do maybe something like tiling,
okay,
or plaster that
so
is
I was thinking maybe this, to avoid this, we can put a grill, and we put we put maybe panels, window. Yes.
Because like I said, this is a stair. It is the stair that comes
and goes up
and goes back.
Okay.
I think I will show it here.
Wow.
On the floor plan, you see.
Oh yeah.
So this is what we are talking about. So you see this, the plan is the stairs is coming,
and then
you turn back. So maybe you can decide not to build. Yeah. This area you can do grill. Yes. It's still very much okay, because even in terms of security, yes, it's correct, because you can see it's above this roof. Absolutely. So it's not easy for one to climb, but to jump and access.
That's not access it.
You can even leave it, and then you do a glass. A glass, yeah. Straight clear glass. Wow. For more light. For more light. So that one is still very. In fact, I've just gotten an idea. Yes. I'm going to change it. Because also, you know, at the back, at the back here, we have no place where you can see who is coming from this side. Yes. So maybe because I can access that from my bedroom, and stand at the stairs and see who is from the other side. Because from the front view, you can stand at the balcony and see. Oh my God! So I pray for these guys. Again, adding on what you've said. Yes. To this landing. Yes. When you are making a U-turn at the landing, go upstairs, you can as well pass and sit here. You can have some, this a bit raised higher. Yeah. It's half the building. It's about 5 feet higher. Okay. So you see there's a window here, very clear. Wow. So this one is facing towards that side, the road side. To our King Amaru, right there. Yes. Yeah. So you can sit. You can have a seat here. Yeah. You sit here maybe with a friend, or maybe you as your guest, and then this window is very clearly open to this side. You see? Yeah. Wow. So this is the reason this slab will be done. If you want to go upstairs, you just make a turn and you go, or you can decide to come and relax.
Relax, yeah. Or you come with a friend who doesn't want to go to be in your bedroom.
You don't want to
Just
be a
relax,
bedroom.
I'm coming.
You don't want to be in sitting room.
Yeah,
so
yeah.
you just come and
Relax
and
at the landing area.
relax at the landing area.
Wow.
So we will take them through the plan.
Yes. Wow.
This is a sketch, a proposed plan, still prone to changes.
Yes.
You can make any changes anytime.
Yeah.
So this is the living room, the living area.
It's so big and massive.
And then we have a dining, an open dining,
yes,
which is open directly to the kitchen.
Yes.
So from the kitchen, one can use this door to go upstairs without maybe interfering with the guests at the living room.
Okay.
Or maybe one can come down from the upstairs and again access the kitchen, maybe go back.
So these are the stairs, right?
Yeah, these are the stairs.
Okay.
Then we have a bedroom, one bedroom downstairs.
Okay.
Which is self-contained.
Wow.
It's a bedroom with this
own toilet.
With his own toilet. Then we have another toilet here,
which
is accessed under the stairs.
Under the stairs.
When the stairs, when you are landing on top.
Okay, at the elevation there.
Yeah, the stairs is like this.
Yes.
So under the landing, there's a door.
There's a door
where we access this loo. So this is what we are saying. We can either leave it as a public toilet or we can change it to a laundry.
To a laundry, yeah.
Yeah, we are still consulting.
I think laundry, guys, comment down below. I think laundry can do it better.
They should comment down below whether it should be a public toilet
or a laundry.
Yes. And these are an office.
Oh, over here.
A study room.
A study room.
Yeah, these are an office where you can record your things, you can do your things, you can meet your friends.
We call it a small studio.
Small studio is there. And again, it's funny. There's another door.
Wow.
From it will be to this
side.
That facing.
Oh, the upper end.
Upper end. So there's another door that you can access the building or you can exit.
Yes.
Through this door. Yeah.
Wow.
It will be somewhere
here. This side.
Facing.
The upper side. You know, there's an airport proposed up there.
Okay.
An airstrip.
Yeah, so you can sit there and see
the airplane is landing.
Whether the plane that you are supposed to board
is almost there.
So again to the dining and the kitchen, we have a back door that leads to the back porch.
Okay.
So to the front, this is the door. It will be a sliding door.
Wow. Hey. You tell me sliding door. I start laughing.
Yeah. And then we have a store.
Okay. You also have a store inside?
We have a store for the kitchen.
Oh, okay. So it's like a pantry, right?
Yeah, like a pantry. There's a pantry.
Yes.
That now you can use to access to maybe store other things.
Wow.
It's there. Now when you go upstairs, we have another bedroom. I've just learned that you wanted a 4-bedroom house. I'll see what I can do to that.
Yes.
But initially, you didn't tell me that initially.
Initially,
so I just designed a 3-bedroom house.
A 3-bedroom house. But still, it's okay. But we can go for...
Yeah, we can...
for 4-bedroom
4-bedroom house.
But let us know, guys. What do you think? Can we go for 3 or 4? Or 4, yeah.
Yeah, now we have another precious bedroom.
Wow.
A master bedroom.
A master bedroom.
I mean, a bedroom that is self-contained.
Yes.
It has its own toilet. The closets are there.
It's a walk-in closet, right?
Yeah, no.
Okay.
It's really not. A walk-in closet is for the master.
Okay. Oh, these are a small...
This is another bedroom.
Okay, yeah. Okay.
So maybe you have a guest, a precious guest.
Yes.
He can come with you upstairs. So he rests there.
Oh, man.
And then we have a master bedroom. The master bedroom will be big because it's guided by the size of the living room that we'll have.
Yes.
So the master bedroom, we have this void area. Maybe you can make them show.
This have an X.
Yeah, this X is a void area because of we have a window that runs all the way from the down floor up
to the roof.
To the roof.
Oh, maybe you can show them here.
In the picture.
So that this kind of a window, guys.
Yeah, we have this.
Yeah.
That runs from
down
the floor
all the way to the roof.
All the way to the roof.
Wow.
So it means that area is not covered. There's nothing in between. There's no floor there.
Yes.
So this master bedroom, I can say that this separation here, it can be built halfway, or you can do grill,
yeah.
But what matters is that you can see through to the living
room. Oh, from up you can see to the living room.
Yeah, you can see to the living room while you are on your master bedroom. You can just see what's going on in the living room there.
This makes me smile.
Yeah.
Applaud from here to here. You see my my molar teeth.
Yes, you can see there.
Yeah.
And now this is the master bath.
Yeah.
It's big.
True boy.
It's super big.
Welcome, bro.
Yes. Thank you. Welcome.
Yeah, yeah.
How are you guys?
Yes, we are fine. We are discussing here something.
Yeah, let's finish discussing.
Yes.
So we have a big master bath where we have a walk-in closet.
Yes.
Again, the door to your bathroom is sliding.
Oh.
Yeah, it's big. You can slide it.
Wow.
And once you once you slide it,
yes,
and then now you are in.
Yes.
You will be having a hand wash basin here.
Yes.
Where you can wash your face, brush is there. This is a shower area.
Shower area.
Then we have a bathtub, and then now we'll have a loo.
A loo.
Yeah, toilet basin will be here.
Wow.
So that is your master
bedroom.
Master bedroom.
Wow. True boy.
Then there's this space.
We have a special room here.
This space again, there's a special room.
Yes.
You can make it a study room. You can make it a upstairs, maybe a family room.
Family room, yeah.
You will do what you like with it.
Wow.
It can be even another dining room.
In upstairs.
Yeah, upstairs. So again, there's a window there that you will be using. It is facing that tree there.
The other tree.
Yeah, so you said there will be there's a proposed airstrip there.
Yeah, it's an small airstrip like Richota one in Megori.
So you will be able to see
the
plane landing and taking off.
Yeah.
So again, we have a void area
over here.
Following the fact that we have another window here that goes right from the ground floor
to the roof.
So we have a void area here for the downer bedroom. So this one it is closed because this is a bedroom. Yeah. So you can't allow the upper bedroom to maybe
have an access
of
down
the down bedroom.
Oh.
So it is closed.
Wow.
So this bedroom, the upper bedroom, there's a window here. Each room has its window.
Wow.
So this is the proposed plan. Now you look at that balcony, how it is. It's right from here. Then it doesn't touch
the pillars.
The pillars there.
Yes.
Yeah. So you can leave the master bedroom and maybe have
relax at the balcony.
At the balcony.
You know, True Boy, this has a hanging. It has a hanging. A flying. Call it a flying.
Flying
the
porch.
Flying porch. Like you have flying beams and then.
Yeah.
Yes.
And then it
so and also the other day when you told me that the house should be here, the engineer actually proposed that it should be here and it's not the other side because the view should be here and you should be when actually you are from this side you can see the house is at a story building.
If you do it on this side,
yes,
then you have to transfer that gate
to this side. Okay.
So you will choose
whether
if transferring this will be an hectic job.
Yes.
Then you can put it here, and then you will close that gate.
Yes.
And have it here.
And have it here.
Yeah. So that once the material is maybe transferred from here, maybe it's used.
Yes.
There's a space. So when you want to get in your compound, you go in through that gate.
You come.
Yeah. I don't have problem changing that.
Okay.
So if the True Boy decided that it should be here.
No, I decided it should be there, but True Boy said it's here, and also your idea said it's here. Yeah. Because here you can have a very nice view. You can see who is coming from the other side, and also, you know, sometimes the reason why we are here.
And also,
yes.
And then again, if it's here, you've not hidden the compound.
Yeah.
The compound is still visible.
Visible, yeah.
One can see your compound well.
Yeah.
So I think that's what should be done.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah.
So True Boy, the engineer said we are like 50% of this for the foundation. Also. Yeah, he said like maybe 50-45% of this, because he said if we were to do the normal house without that one of the one which shows the story, because the story saves the foundation. But if you want to do a normal house, we will do double, triple of this. because the backfilling.
Much.
He's telling us that the foundation will be there.
It will be somewhere here.
So from here there downwards, it's a void area. So you can just come and dump
And
it.
you can see a very good example.
Yes.
With that project at next to BT's place.
Yes.
You see how the downer part is high.
Very high, yeah.
Yeah. And if when you look at the upper side, we didn't go much.
Yeah.
In fact, it is below, because you remember we excavated
The other side, yeah.
the front of the house so that the foundation can be seen.
Wow.
It was below the ground
The
level.
ground level, yeah.
And the downer side, it was higher.
Oh.
Now, considering this gradient,
Yeah.
this is too much steep than that.
Yeah, that one.
For sure. You see,
Ooh.
now this one will give you a very big foundation, almost reaching the Linton level. So that's why it is not good. I wouldn't advise you to do that, so that it consumes you a lot in backfill. The material you will use to do this,
Yes.
you will only add something small, then you have a
Story on the other end.
That's
Wow,
a good idea.
that's a very good idea.
Even the maram, bro.
Yes,
Yeah.
even the maram.
Even the maram, it's not easy.
That's why you find people fail to do backfilling, and
Yes.
the houses make some cracks.
Make some cracks, yeah,
Oh,
they
okay.
just be. So again, I wanted to say something
Yes,
on this.
yes.
Maybe our viewers can see we have the building is done on a key cut, on a machine cut,
key cut
stone.
Yes.
And maybe some will say, why is the engineer giving Joseph an expensive
structure, yeah.
So it's expensive when you don't analyze.
Okay.
So most people, for example, Truboy has constructed using the
Machine cut stones, yeah.
Yes. And maybe someone will say, why did Truboy decide to use machine cut? And then there's a bricks
All blocks.
or the blocks.
Yeah, because nowadays they say blocks, it's faster. You make it and then you go.
And you go. So maybe I want to say something about that.
Yes.
There's no big difference.
Yes.
And in fact, the one that uses the stone like the Truboy has done,
Yes.
he has advantage
Okay.
over that guy who will use the bricks.
And
But
the
in
blocks,
terms
yeah.
of cost,
Yes.
it's almost the same. Because you remember Truboy now in your project, you're almost done with the outer wall.
Yeah.
And you only remain maybe with the finishing that will be done inside.
Absolutely.
So the outer wall, you've already done the key, and it doesn't require much from you.
Yeah.
So if you used the bricks, we say that one brick, one stone is covered by the 4 bricks.
Okay.
Yeah. So where the one stone has covered that space, it will be covered by both 4 bricks.
Yeah.
Now consider the joints of these bricks. The 4 bricks will have so many joints.
Joints, yeah.
So do you consider this cement that you've used for the 4 bricks to be the same as the cement you used to do one block?
No.
So one thing that people don't consider is the cement.
Yeah.
It consumes a lot of cement and
And
sand,
sand.
because there are so many joints, because it's something small. So you want to do it until it reaches that level
For sure.
where your house is now. So number one disadvantage is the cement.
Cement.
And the sand.
Yeah.
Secondly, labor. The number of days that masons will take to build this stone to reach that level is not the same number. It's not the number of days they will take to build the bricks.
Absolutely.
Yeah? The bricks will take them so many days. You remember?
I remember.
And you paying them. So again here, if you consider labor, you see the bricks again coming up.
For sure.
Wow.
And then after that, now you are going to do finishing. You must do a plaster, both sides.
Both side, in and out, yeah.
So the bricks, if you see someone who has done a wall using bricks, there's one side that they usually use that kabiro, the bomb plump.
The bomb plump, yeah.
To make sure that it's straight. Then this other side, there are some holes. It's not uniform.
It's not uniform, yeah.
So you want to do a plaster. You want to plaster this wall until it comes smooth. So you are going to use a lot of sand and cement to fill those spaces. While if you consider the stone is straight, it doesn't require much. So there's a lot of cement and sand that goes to the bricks,
Yeah.
labor, and time.
Wow.
When in terms of strength, now stone is a superstructure. You remember there's a time I told you now your structure, if you decide to put it a story building, it works.
It can work.
Because a stone is a load bearing.
Yeah.
And again, you also have some columns.
Some columns, other pillars.
So in terms of strength, it's superstructure. It's a super walling. In terms of maybe it's expensive to bring that stone.
Yeah.
Now that expense that most people fear, they are
Yeah.
going to cover that expense in buying the cement, buying the sand, in paying more labor.
So
By the end of the day,
to mean true boy, if one day he decides like he wanna add another house on top.
Yeah, with that building is possible.
Oh man, congratulations man. Kuna vitano.
Because he's the one. Most people who are doing just a normal house,
Yes.
they don't want to hear anything to do with the column.
Absolutely, yeah.
They don't want that.
Yeah.
But you did. You have columns. And again, that building, the any kind of wall in that house is done on a stone.
Done on a stone, yeah.
And I've just said that a stone is a load bearer.
Load bearing, yeah.
So you can't subject a load to a brick, but you can subject a load to a stone.
To a stone, yeah. Oh man.
Yeah.
Hey,
So that's another thing that I wanted to clarify.
Wow. So even me here, because the house also, according to the plan, the way I'm seeing, the entire house is all of stones.
Yeah.
The entire house.
So I can advise
Yes.
that because inside you must do plastering, whether stone or not.
Yes.
I would advise that you do the outside wall
With stone.
with the stone,
And
and then inside you can do a
block, yeah.
or brick.
Okay.
There's a issue with block,
Yes.
and the block is not bad.
Yeah.
It's those who are making it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Like I told you when we were talking about blocks, that there are some block that will be brought up by a truck, and then the truck just pour it that way, and then it's very okay.
Yes.
So number one is the ratio, and then curing.
Okay.
So you find here, someone want to build using a blocks, then he tells the merchant that I want you to do 6 wheelbarrows, 1 cement. That is what?
That's killing the house.
Yeah, you are killing the house.
Yes.
And again after that, they are not doing a proper curing.
Okay.
This needs water in the morning. It needs enough, not just you taking a
Sprinkling,
cup
no,
and
no.
scream. No, there's a difference between curing and sprinkling. Some people are just doing this way. So you have to pour water until you see the block yenyewe doesn't want that water.
Oh, wow.
Even curing for the house,
Yes.
the columns, we do curing until now you see it no longer needs
And
that
it's more water, yeah.
But if it wants, you will see you are pouring water and then
the
some
bubbles.
and then it goes immediately. It has dried. So you
Okay.
just know this structure still needs
More water.
When it's saturated, then you see all that water running away, going elsewhere.
Oh, yeah.
So for the blocks, if you do it correctly, it's also a strong structure. Only that it has gotten a bad name because those who are dealing with it are not following instructions
Okay.
from the engineers or the consultants.
Okay.
Yeah.
So even if I start doing the blocks, I start doing it now,
Yeah.
so that even if it will be taking me maybe half a year to build, so that they have already had enough water.
Yes.
They have dried
Enough
up
water.
well.
So number one thing you must do
Yes.
is you must put someone there to supervise,
Yes.
to ensure that they are done correctly.
Yes.
You will use a sand that is approved. You can just call me a few minutes away, I come and say, the sand for the block shouldn't be a smooth one.
Okay.
If you look at the blocks we're talking about, there's this block that is being
Build at the road.
that it has got some small particles of ballast.
Yes.
That is mixed with
The sand.
the sand. So when it is properly done on a proper ratio and then pressed well, cured well, you will take it like this and then beat it down and it doesn't break.
Doesn't
Yeah.
crack. Oh, wow.
So if you decide you want to do that,
Yes.
you just check on the proper sand,
Sand, yeah.
that one with some stones,
Yes.
and then you do cement is available, and then you supervise, or you tell someone who knows to supervise that work. You make sure that it gets enough water in the morning, it gets enough water at lunchtime,
lunchtime.
it gets enough water in the evening,
In the evening.
at least for for 7
For
days.
wow. Guys, we have heard that, and that's the nice advices from the engineer, because the me never wanted shortcut, just to just have what we call like an advice, the real valid advices, so that we can know, and also not only for my own benefit, but also for you too as the viewer, for others also who are watching and willing to build. So yeah, thank you so much, Mr. Engineer, and be blessed all. Yeah, and also thank you so much, True Boy. You know, since childhood, he's my brother. Sometimes
I really admire,
yeah.
I really admire the companions.
So
You remember, you will share with me the comments. There are some things we ask the viewers.
Yeah, for sure.
For whatever they want.
Yeah.
So maybe
they can tell us at
every proposal.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
True Boy,
So
what do you think about it?
I think the advice from our engineer,
Yes.
because before he started that constructing my house,
Yes.
we had a time to see, we sit down.
Yes.
We sat down, I
Yes.
mean,
Yeah.
and he told me like, you have to do this, you have to do this, you have
Yes.
to do this, you know.
Yeah.
Then it was not like he was just telling me to do it, but when I considered that,
Yes.
he was right, you know.
Yeah, for sure.
And by the way, when you consider in terms of maybe stones, the stones that are used and blocks, you know, when you compare the prices of buying those stones,
Yes.
and you compare the
Price of
making the blocks,
Yeah.
I think almost even block is more expensive.
Expensive.
Because since you started you start with the sand,
Yeah.
that's costly.
Yeah.
Labor, cement, every day it needs to be watered, and you are not there to be watering them. You must have someone who will be watering,
And you need
will
to
be
pay
doing
him.
for
Yeah.
Then when you consider that the stone is more cheaper than is less cheaper than the blocks.
The blocks.
Yeah, cement blocks.
Oh wow.
And another thing about the plan,
Yes.
I've really congratulated him, because
Yes.
I was like, oh my goodness, when you'll be coming from Yabuhanse heading to Amara's place, it's Nastos.
Yeah.
When this house will be here, when you'll be viewing from the other end,
Yes.
hey, you'll be like, who built that house? Who built it? Whose home is that? You know, for sure, it's one of the best mansion.
Oh wow, thank you so
And
much.
It's going to be, I don't know what is going to be the best than mine.
Don't worry. You know, Mikasa Sukasa.
You know,
my house is your house. Your house is my
Anyway,
house. Yeah.
With me,
Yes.
I'm the only I'm the guy who decided to choose the type of house I wanted. You know?
Yes.
And with you,
Yes.
the day you suggested about which structure can be in this land,
Yes.
then we had to say, because here
Slanting.
it's slanting.
Yes.
So if we will have maybe a story house,
Yes.
you're gonna be all right. You know?
Absolutely.
And also the engineer proposed, you know. So to me, like to reduce the cost of building that house,
Yes.
you must use the story.
The story
house,
over here.
Because the foundation, I think there is a time we
We built a house in
yeah,
between here.
we built a house there.
Yes.
The masons, they used
The elevators. This
Yeah.
one, the mapundas.
mapunda
Yeah.
to build the foundation.
The foundation.
And I was like,
Imagine the foundation. You are using some
Yeah.
ladder to go up on a
you cannot
foundation.
even touch like this, you know. So for
You
in
can
that
see, for
regard,
example, there's a guy next to Nastos there.
Yeah.
You can see how that
Yeah,
foundation has come.
the farmer, yeah.
Yeah, that farmer guy.
Yeah.
which is costly.
Yeah.
So instead of just imagine when you do like this, you are not reaching
You are
the
not reaching
And it's the foundation.
So
Imagine.
to me, like from here, there's enough room.
Yeah,
you
it's
know?
enough room. Yeah.
Yeah. So thank you so much, Mr. Engineer. You know, like no one
Yeah.
is perfect.
Yeah, for
so
sure.
we have to be learning each and every
Each and
day.
every single day, and that's why we are saying whoever have maybe a comment on that, please comment down below, and let's see what's happening on this. Advices where necessary, and yeah, keep on praying for us for the dream come true. So yeah, thank you so much, Mr. Engineer, and also thank you so much, Juma, and also congratulations for your big mansion, superstructure. Be blessed all. It's actually, you know, it's we call it a healthy competition. You know, if you see this and you see this, you see this, you see this in a healthy way, without any fight or without anything. That's how life should be. All right, man. Thank you so much. Let me check on the fruits a little bit. I'm coming. There's a bench here. You know, there's some seat here for the guests. All right, guys. So that's how everything is. We have some bananas over here. Oh my God. May this dream come true. It's slowly by slowly, guys. Not that I have it much, but it's slowly by slowly. That's why I came with the engineer, and he told me I want to go and check it once more again, and so we can see how it is. And actually he suggested the house should be there so that you can have a very nice view. So we planted the other day some fruits and different kind of trees. I'm seeing they're really doing good and great. Wow. We have some soursop. Also the soursop is really doing good. We also have another soursop here. Wow. Wow. Hey, but this one, the leaves are drying up. Oh my God, what's happening? Wait. The leaves are drying. Okay, but I'm praying today it rains so much that we can actually have more water to water this. This is our land, and it has a train slanting area. But yeah, we are bringing slowly by slowly materials, slowly by slowly, so that we can make the dream come true. Thank you so much, guys. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel. Remember, we are on the road to 30,000 subscribers. Show some love, and of course also subscribe to True Boy, to my wife Minhawi. For the rest, we work hard for this great work. May Almighty God bless you, and bye bye for now, guys. Slowly by slowly, guys. I'm welcoming you all. If you feel like you want to support Claude, please support me. The hands are really wide open to welcome you guys, so that you can make the dream come true. Thank you so much, and bye bye. Bye, guys. Bye.